Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. If you invest long enough, you'll make a bad investment. Here are some causes for a bad investment. Overpaying for the startup through too high a valuation. Making a snap decision on just a few factors such as the team or the market. Failing to perform thorough due diligence. Here are some tips for how to recover. Let it go and move on. Don't let a bad startup investment get you down. Remember, it happens to the best of us. Reflect on what went wrong and where did you make a mistake. Reassess your process. What should you change to not make the same mistake again? Finally, don't beat yourself up. Look to the future and remember the lessons learned from this experience. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.